Imagine getting an entire day's work done in just a few hours. Sounds impossible? Thanks to AI, it's becoming a reality. Whether you're a student, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, these AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, boost productivity, and save you hours every single week. Stay until the end because tool number 10 could completely transform the way you work. Welcome to AI Income Lab, where we explore the best AI tools, online income strategies, and productivity hacks to help you work smarter. If that's your kind of content, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI assistants available. It can help you write emails, generate blog posts, brainstorm ideas, create business plans, summarize long documents, answer research questions. Instead of spending hours writing, you can often produce a solid first draft in minutes. Tool number 2, Claude. Claude is excellent for working with long documents and detailed writing tasks. Use it to analyze reports, summarize PDFs, improve writing, review contracts, organize notes. It's especially useful if you regularly handle large amounts of text. Tool number 3, Perplexity AI. Instead of opening dozens of browser tabs, Perplexity searches the web and provides concise answers with cited sources. Great for research, fact-checking, market analysis, learning new topics. Tool number 4, Canva AI. Canva now includes AI-powered features that can generate presentations, create social media graphics, remove backgrounds, resize designs, generate images. You no longer need advanced design skills to create professional-looking visuals. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs. Need voiceovers but don't want to record your own voice? ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voices that are ideal for YouTube videos, audiobooks. ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voices that are ideal for YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcasts, product demos. Tool number 6, CapCut AI. CapCut offers AI-powered editing features like auto captions, background removal, silence detection, AI script assistance, automatic video resizing. This can significantly reduce editing time. Tool number 7, NotebookLM. NotebookLM helps you learn from your own documents. Upload files and it can summarize information, answer questions about your notes, connect ideas across documents. It's especially useful for students and researchers. Tool number 8, Gamma. Instead of spending hours building slide decks, Gamma creates presentations from a simple prompt. Perfect for business pitches, school presentations, client proposals, reports. Tool number 9, Midjourney. Need unique images? Midjourney generates stunning artwork from text prompts, making it useful for thumbnails, book covers, marketing graphics, concept art. Tool number 10, N8N. If you want to automate repetitive tasks, N8N is a powerful workflow automation platform. Examples include automatically sending emails, saving form responses to spreadsheets, posting to social media, connecting different apps together. Once set up, these workflows can save hours every week. Those are 10 AI tools that can dramatically reduce the time you spend on repetitive tasks. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.